Hi, this is WordPress Holder, the Ukrainian guy who will help you with your website. You can contact me for help by email in the description area under this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. Today, I want to show you how to set up your basic theme for development, custom theme. Okay, so first you should create the folder which will be your theme name. In my case, it's AQWeb. Okay, inside you should create 5 files. It's footer, functions, header, index, and style. So all files should be .php, style should be .css. Okay, let's check what's inside each file. Style CSS will appear our styles in theme. So also in style CSS, really important to write your theme name and text domain, which will appear in the functions PHP file. So please pay attention what is right here. Text name, your theme URL, your website URL. After it's me, I used it as template, but it's me, WP holder. For example, my name is Max, so I will write Max. After URL, you can use the same your website name, a link. Description, just write description which you want, custom theme for AQWeb. Version 1.0, license URL, and text domain. Okay, so below you can write your styles like body, background, red. Okay, or custom style. Oh, doesn't work. So doesn't matter. You can write your styles here. Okay. Next important file is functions.php. In functions.php, you should launch your style CSS file, which you just created. So it's important to write function, write function name. After, please write this WP enqueue styles. After, write your text domain, which we wrote here, you see. Dash style. After this function, array, and this. Okay, great. After write add action, WP enqueue scripts, AQWeb scripts, which we wrote here. Okay. Please pay attention, the function and text domain is the same. Okay, after we should create our header and footer PHP files. A header should be like this, so you basically can just create your custom header. So this is ready, but I might have to do this. Oops, my battery low. Okay, so pretty easy for me, right? So we just remove this area and we change a document to head, as you can see. So I remove this. Okay, pay attention that body class not closed. Okay, after we should create footer. Here is our body and HTML, which we open it here, body and HTML, and close in footer, body and HTML, okay? Between them, in head, we should write very important functions for WordPress. Don't forget to add it, WP head, and in footer, we should add WP footer, okay? These functions will load styles and scripts from WordPress, from plugins, etc. Otherwise, they will not work. And last important file is index.php. This is front page, main template of your style for your website. So you can write here all you want, like container, and here will be my content, or just write, oops, Emmet doesn't work as it should for some reason, like the content. Okay, something like this. And save. Now I don't want to purchase. Okay, add save. Next important step is archive your folder. Click WinRAR and add to archive. It should be zip. Archive. Okay, here is our zip. Now let's go to our website, click upload. and choose file, and here is our theme we just created. Okay, let's install it. Okay, theme installed successfully. Activate. Okay, you see there are no screenshot, but you can add screenshot just by adding it inside this folder, in root of the folder file screenshot.png, which will appear as image of this. Okay, so let's add it if you want, like screenshot generator for theme WP, something like this. Okay, so I don't see there was something good, so it doesn't matter, it will be like this. Okay, if you want to add image, you really can add it by just uploading screenshot.png file. If you want, you can make it in PSD or something like that. So here is my image. So let's try to add it, like let's make it something like square, like this, and let's save it to the PNG. Okay. Okay. Save screenshot.png. Oops, screenshot. Okay. So this we should delete. Of course, by the way, here is title, here is develop, the description, here is version, and here is me. Hello. So let's delete the current theme which you installed and try to upload this one. Let me check screenshot generator. Let me check this right size for the screenshot. I really don't remember. So 120. Let's try to use our. I'm not sure how it will go, but let's try. Screenshot.png. Okay. After we delete our auto archive, WinRAR, add to archive, and zip. Okay, let's try to upload our website. Where is it? Here it is. Oops, upload. Choose file and select our new theme with screenshot. Let's check how it works. I'm not sure. The size was right, but for test, okay, the size was pretty good. So as you can see, it appears here. So now let's go to our front end, and you can see here is content, and here is my text I wrote. Now you can start development, added your own functions to header, to footer, or to the index page. For example, let's try to add to the footer some icons. For example, div call 3 and 1, 2, 3. I just want to show it works good. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not FTP connection. Right, so let's connect to the FTP. Oh, dump. How I could make it work like this. Okay, so I already have FTP. How to create FTP you can check in my other video on the channel. How to debug FTP connection you can check too. And a lot of other e-tips, so don't forget to subscribe. Let's go to our AccuWeb website. It will be the website for WordPress maintenance. Okay, themes, and here is our theme as you can see. And let's go to footer, for example, edit, and it's loading. Okay, so now we can edit it locally. So let's edit like this, like div, and call 3, call 1, 2, 3. Okay, upload, and let's refresh. Why it doesn't work? It doesn't work because in the index.php file we didn't include our functions and footer. So get header and get footer. Okay, you see, I didn't code the header and footer file in the index.php file. So let's upload it. It's loading. Okay, great. Now nothing works. So what we did wrong, we I'm sure we did something wrong, but I'm not sure where. It should be very easy fix. So why it doesn't work? Let's check by enabling our debugging. So let's go to wp config, click edit. You anyway need to enable it for debug. Debug, true, wrong, true. Okay. Okay. So let's refresh. Now it should show some error. Okay, functions PHP line 4. Let's check our line 4. What does it say? So let's go to AccuWeb and functions PHP, edit, and line 4 says this. So what we did wrong? I'm pretty sure we need to remove this. Let's try. Great, it works. So we now see the WordPress dashboard working. We see our content, we see our footer, we see header. So now you can add styles, header, additional files, you can add page templates, search, etc, etc, etc. So for example, here is header. Okay, I just want to show you it actually works. I know what I'm doing. Okay, reload. Here let's write footer. So you will see it works. Save. Now index.php we already know it working, and here we will write body, background, F7, F7, F7. Okay. Let's refresh. I need some other color. Let's use V7, V7, V7. Let's try anyway. Yeah, let's try. So it's loading. Yeah, it takes a while to load. Okay, so you see it's gray. Here is our header, here is our footer, here is our content, and this content is fetching from the front page. Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. For body, you can see our styles working too, like you see. Okay, so let's check how it works for our index.php. We see warning. Okay, no warning anymore. And this is sample page. Let's make it the home page. Sample page will be home page. And now let's refresh. Okay, we see all content from front page. If you want to add to the index.php file header, just write php the title. Sorry, the title. So let's refresh it. Oh, it didn't load it yet. Okay, transfer finished. Okay. Sample page. You see here is title. So we need to make it h1, for example. This is very basic setup. You need to any WordPress theme, but now you can build more, and make it more beautiful, add new features. And it's this setup which we just did is must have for everyone who wants to create some custom theme. For example, in my project, I will use the HTML for all page content, so website will be fast, and WordPress I will use only for blog, and that's it. So that's all. Anyway, this is not regular solution. This is not popular solution. Usually people want to use WordPress to edit all content, but I will not. Anyway, I really hope my video helped you. If so, you can say thank you by leaving some donation. All information for this you can find in the description area under this video. I am happy to help for you. If you have some tasks or issues or you need my help to do it for you, you can contact me by email in the description area under this video. If you have some questions, you can ask me in commentary on this video. So don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a good day. Bye bye.